How to start a blog and make money in no time. A question I get asked frequently is how to start a blog and make money in 2021. This is the question that I try to answer with some simple and straightforward advice on how to create a successful blog. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about how to start a blog and make money in no time. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand. So for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. That will earn you income for years to come. In order to achieve the goals set out in your blog, you need to do all you can to attract traffic to your site. You also need to promote your blog throughout the internet so that it has a chance of earning you money. The first step in how to start a blog and make money in 2112 is to find a subject to blog about. A popular option is money. There are hundreds if not thousands of ways to make money online, so if you're interested in earning a living you can do it. Start by searching for the top 3 keywords related to your topic using any search engine. For example, I am writing this article based on how to start a blog and make money in 2021. Once you have found the keywords, start searching for the most relevant and popular content on these terms. My next step in how to start a blog and make money in 2112 is to write about this topic. Make sure your content is useful and informative. Try to write at least 1 post a week on your topic and then post at least 2 more a week on other topics related to your blog. Write about a hot topic that attracts lots of people. You may want to consider building a forum to share ideas and thoughts on how to start a blog and make money. If you don't have the time or the skills to start and maintain a blog, this would be the ideal place to share your knowledge. When you have a few regular readers, they will be very happy to spread the word around to all of their friends and help grow your blog. On the forum, you can promote your site and offer special deals to attract more visitors. The final step is to find other people who are interested in the same topic as you. Post a link to your site in your comment. Invite them to join the blog and start making money. You can even offer to help promote their site if they are willing to pay you for doing so. Everyone likes to win, so offer a discount on anything you purchase from their site. This could be an ebook, special reports, or newsletters. These are just a few of the many ways you can get traffic to your site and start making money online. There are many more, such as article marketing, social networking, and link exchange. Some require a lot more time than others, but if you really want to start a profitable blog then you should seriously look into these methods. I would recommend that you look into article marketing because it will allow you to write unique content and build backlinks quickly. There are a lot of people who have made money from blogs, but you have to remember that you can only make as much money as your blog is willing to work for you. There are many marketers who waste a lot of time submitting articles hoping that one will capture the attention of a search engine and make them some money. There are also those who go on free social networking sites and hope that one of their friends might like what they have to say and then sign up for their blog. If you really want to know how to start a blog and make money in no time, then you need to start with one idea first and then take it from there. Write about something you are very passionate about so that you will be writing about it every day. I promise you that once you start getting traffic to your blog, then the money will come sooner than later. Don't think that just because it is not a lot of money that you won't enjoy it. That would be a mistake because blog traffic has been proven to be very profitable. Thanks for watching my video about how to start a blog and make money in no time. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.